Hi, I'm Tash, Product Manager for Apps at Nearmap. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the 3D line tool in Map Browser to find the pitch of a roof from our oblique imagery. Let's get started. Just a reminder that oblique imagery is only available in the new Map Browser. To access obliques for this location, you can place a location pin by clicking on the map and selecting the View Obliques Photos button. You can also view oblique imagery by selecting oblique from the drop-down menu. To find the pitch for this roof, start by selecting the 3D line tool. Zoom in to get a better view and ensure you draw the line accurately. Draw along the line of the slope that you wish to measure and finish by double-clicking. Click Next to select the second photo. The next step is to move the line back to the original position from the first photo. You can easily do this by dragging each endpoint, and you can zoom in further to make sure that you have placed the line accurately. If you need to check the position of the line, you can click here to view the first photo again. Once you're happy with the measurement, you can now see both the length and the pitch in degrees along the label. Refining the line in the second photo helps us to calculate the real-world coordinates, which allow us to get an accurate measurement. So now we have both the length and the pitch of the roof, and because we know the real-world position of the line, we can reproject it into different photos. You can change different directions to see different views here in the drop-down. So if I were to select East, you'll see the line is still here in the right position on the photo. You can also easily change the units of measure in the information box here on the right. To see the pitch expressed as rise over run, simply select this option from the drop-down menu. And to select the length in other units of measure, you can do the same here. Depending on your region, each measurement will default to either metric or imperial units. So let's recap with a few tips and tricks. Zoom in to draw more accurately. You can actually start with any oblique image if the default image doesn't give you the best view of what you want to measure. And you can do this easily by selecting another photo from the thumbnail list or selecting a different orientation using the drop-down list at the top. If you want to measure the pitch of a hip roof or find additional dimensions such as the area and the length, you can use the 3D area tool. So that's how you can measure pitch in oblique photos using the 3D line tool. Happy map browsing!